Do you use CodeTwo Outlook web add-in to add signatures to emails sent from PCs, Macs, and mobile devices in your company? If you're a CodeTwo admin, I wanted to show you some advanced settings that change how the add-in interacts with Outlook. You can find them in CodeTwo admin panel by opening your tenant settings, going to the Outlook add-in tab, and expanding the advanced settings here. Let me go over each setting in detail because it's important that you fully understand how they work before you decide to turn them on. Note that any changes you make here may take up to 4 hours to propagate across your organization. Users can set up their own local signatures in Outlook, for example, in the signatures and stationery settings, and these signatures can be automatically added to new emails or to replies and forwards. But when users get automatic signatures from CodeTwo Outlook add-in, their local default signatures are disabled by the add-in so that these users don't get double signatures. Users who don't get CodeTwo signatures get their own Outlook signatures. But if you turn on the always disable end users default signatures in Outlook setting in CodeTwo admin panel, local signatures will be disabled for all end users for whom the add-in was deployed, no matter if these users actually get CodeTwo signatures or not. This is especially useful in the cloud aka server-side signature mode, as it can prevent sending an email with 2 email signatures, one added by the CodeTwo service after an email sent and another one added by Outlook on its own. Okay, so let's talk about the second advanced setting. By turning it on, you can show add-in notifications above emails in Outlook when a signature is inserted, like this one here. Even if this setting is disabled, notifications will still appear in critical situations. For example, if something goes wrong and your signature cannot be added. The third add-in setting is exactly the same, but allows you to show add-in notifications on your end users' mobile devices too. Here's what they look like. No worries, even if you leave this setting turned off, critical notifications will still display. The fourth setting changes how the add-in interacts with Outlook when end users change the from field while composing an email. With this setting disabled, users always get their own signature in Outlook, even when sending an email as another person or as a shared mailbox or group. But when you turn this on, when a user changes an email sender in the from field, the add-in loads the signature for the new sender and the user can manually add it to their message. Okay, let's move on to the last option. By default, when the CodeTwo service works in combo mode, the add-in adds signatures directly in Outlook as users type. But if you enable this option, end users will be able to use this toggle button to choose if they want to add signatures in Outlook as they type, as previously, or if they prefer having their signatures added in the cloud after their message is sent and use the add-in only to preview the signatures. One of the benefits of using cloud signatures is that when an email is sent to multiple recipients, each recipient can get a different signature based on the email signature settings in your organization. For more details on how to use the add-in in both Outlook and cloud mode from an end user's perspective, see this video. Hope this helps you get the most out of your Outlook web add-in. Thanks for watching.